So I'm discuss very important topic here. Any particular website URL, how can disable by the Google search results option? That is purpose. My question will be here. Just I'm writing here. So here, how to remove the website URL on Google search on using for Google Search Console option. That is purpose. Go to Google Search Console. Option name is called removal. Here, submit request. Here, no coding will be nothing use. Just new request. Here, block the URL from Google search results from about 6 months and clear current snippet. Enter URL. Remove this URL. Remove the all URLs on the prefix. So this option will be here. This is a clear cache. So Google search result just to clear the current snippet and cached version until the next crawl. So these all option we can using for URL block on the Google search results for the request from Google search results for about 6 months and clear the current snippet and catch the version. They will be generated after the next crawl for the permanent removal. Either block the pages. These are blocking purpose. This is the clear the URL purpose. Is a temporary removal. Is not a permanent. If you need permanent removal, you can remove the particular in the particular website option. This will be used for up to 6 months. We can use or clear catch the URL for the URL will be removed from the Google search results option. These are completely removable by the search console. The URL will be there in the website, but the URL can't show when keyword will be searched in the Google search results option. We can use these parameters for the particular Google webmaster or search console. We can remove the URL up to how many months? 6 months future. That is called, they will be clearly mentioned temporarily remove URL where Google search results option. So this is we can use remove the particular website URL or prefix URL where Google search console to block up to 6 months or clear cache up to we can block the URL Google search results. And one more clear, I'll tell you that when people search keyword, the URL can't visible by the Google search results. Suppose you enter the entire URL hashtag, you can search by the Google or you open the URL option. The URL will be open the particular website. The URL can't block the website. They block the when people search the keyword on the Google search results, the link will be blocked. The block nothing but they can't show the Google search results option.